Now what you want to do, double click, my fault guys, double click on that audio and send it to 2, you know? 2 will be our vocal bus. So now rename number 2 vocal, and we'll even say 1. Alright, so now this is vocal 1. Now you could really come in here, change this color. If you change this color, it's gonna change the audio color right here. So change this color, I'll change it to that color, fuck it. Alright, so now it's that color, right? Bam, you're going there. Ah, I messed up. See guys, you gotta press accept. Accept, there we go. Now it's that color, right? This is in that color. Every time we record with this, it's gonna show up that color. So, vocal 1, what does vocal 1 need? Well, let's play this back. And for purposes, I'm going to play this back through the speaker. Since I have it set up on that one, I can't just choose a speaker in there. So what I do is I just go back up, play it through the speaker. This is the sound.
Yeah, guys. This is my audio with the Phantom Power on. Da 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 da. Yes, sir.
All right. Now that we got that, all we